To download Klarna Pay in 4, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store, and if you have an Android device, open Google Play. Next, type Klarna in the search bar and select the Klarna app from the search results. Click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This may take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Klarna app. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, click the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions to provide your email address, password, and other required information. After creating your account, you will be asked to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Follow the prompts to enter your card details and verify your account. Once your account is set up, you can browse the app to learn more about Klarna Pay in 4 and how it works. Klarna Pay in 4 allows you to split purchases into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. To use Klarna Pay in 4, simply select it as your payment option at checkout when shopping online or in store with participating merchants. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before completing your purchase. By following these steps, you can easily download and start using Klarna Pay in 4 to manage your payments and shop with flexibility. Remember to always make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. With Klarna Pay in 4, you can enjoy a convenient and secure way to pay for your purchases over time.